I have uploaded over 1,000 YouTube videos. I'm now still learning new things. I wish I knew on day one. Today, no fluff, just the real lesson that could save you years. Most creators quit after 10 videos. After they upload 10 videos, no result, they quit. And many quitted after 100 videos. I have already made 1,000 videos, and here's the truth. It is not about working harder. It is about working smarter and staying alive in the game long enough to win. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm a best-selling author and visionary leader in the world of music and art, known as New Power Art. I help artists build a brand, increase income, impact, and influence. So, how many videos have you uploaded so far? So, now let me share with you my lesson. 3 lessons I'm going to share with you today. Lesson number 1. Mistake that hurts. Chasing viewer instead of building connection. Just chasing the view, okay? I thought number equal to success, but empty views vanish. People stay for you, not just the topic. Mistake number 2. Trying to be perfect. Perfection slowed me down. I learned speed beats perfection. Upload, learn, and improve. Mistake number 3. Trying, what is your mistake? Mistake number 3, ignoring audience feedback. I used to post and disappear. Now I try to reply. I try to listen. And my audience feels seen. Only challenge is a time. When too busy, it's hard to reply the message. But if you have time, try to reply. Try to engage with your audience. It's very important. If you don't do it, just try very hard. Okay? Now, lesson number 2. Breakthrough that change everything. Breakthrough number 1. Niche down, then branch out. Focus, and then branch out. When I focus on less core topic, and then grow exploded. Breakthrough number 2. Storytelling beats information. Storytelling is not just information. It's not just a bullet point, the information. Lesson number 3. Growth mindset. Growth mindset. After 1,000 uploads, here's a big one. I'm going to share with you 3 important things. Consistency compounds. This is the number 1. Number 2, Small daily improvement beat sudden big wins. Number 3, your unique voice is your unique advantage. Share your voice. Authentication. If you are thinking about quitting, don't. So try not to quit, okay? If you post 10 videos, you will just begin. Keep showing up. You will surprise yourself. If you found the message helpful, stick around. More upload is coming. The next 1,000 videos are on the way. We are doing them together. Here's the question. How many videos have you already uploaded? Do you want to quit or you want to stay? What is the lesson you have learned in your YouTube uploading? What is the lesson you learned? Now, come back to our topic. What did you learn today? What did you learn? Many creators quit. Okay, so what is the lesson you learned? I have uploaded over 1,000 videos and I'm still learning new things now. I wish I knew on day 1. No today, no fluff, just a real lesson that could save you years. Most creators quit after 10 days, 10 videos, and many quit after 100. I made over 1,000. And what is the truth? It's not about work harder, it's about work smarter and stay alive in a game long enough to win. Now, 3 lessons. Chasing views instead of building connection. 3 lessons, okay? This is number 1. And lesson number 2, breakthroughs that change everything. Niche down, branch out. Breakthrough number 2, storytelling beat information, not just a bullet point. And lesson number 3, and a growth mindset. After 1,000 upload, consistent compounds is number 1. Number 2, small daily improvement beat sudden big wins. Number 3, your unique voice is your unique advantage. And pop quiz, what is the first mistake? So, chasing views instead of building connection. Okay, what is mistake number 2? Trying to be perfect. Perfection slowed me down. I learned speed beat perfection. Upload, learn, and improve. If you find my message helpful, stick around. Welcome to join my program. Write the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell. Subscribe, share, comment, and like. It will help the video reach more audience and help more people. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.